Most PowerPoint slides fail not because of bad content, but because everything's shown at the same time. In this video, I'll show you how to design a clean, cinematic step-by-step slide system using simple shapes, images, and the Morph transition. Part 1. Build the base layout. Let's start by adding the slide title and choosing the font from the Home tab. Next, go to Insert, Shapes, and draw a rectangle. Hold Ctrl and Shift, then drag to duplicate it. Repeat this step until you have 4 rectangles. Select all of them and press Ctrl and G to group them. Now stretch the group until it covers the entire slide. Right-click and choose Send to Back. Then right-click again and open Format Shape. Remove the outlines and change the fill color to dark green. Then set the transparency to 10%. Finally, ungroup everything using Ctrl plus Shift and J. Now that the basic structure is ready, let's go through part 2. Add and control images. Select the 4 rectangles and duplicate them using Ctrl plus D. Click on the first rectangle, open Format Shape, switch to Picture Fill, and insert your image. From the right side panel, adjust the image position and margins until the framing looks clean and balanced. Repeat the same step for the other 3 rectangles. Once all images are placed, select them together, right-click and choose Send to Back. And now you can see the text layer. With images in place, it's time to design text blocks. Part 3. Design advanced text blocks. Go to Insert tab, Text box, and add your text container. Paste your prepared text inside it, and in the right side panel, open the text option, and in the Text box tab, increase the margins, especially the top margin, to give the text more breathing space. Now open Shape Fill and switch to Gradient Fill. Remove one gradient spot, adjust the remaining ones, and reduce their brightness completely. And fine-tune the transparency. I like to change the font and size of this number from Home tab. Now reposition it and duplicate this text box 3 times. Drag while holding Ctrl and Shift. Update the numbers. Send these 4 text boxes downward. And make sure all text is set to white. Everything is ready now. Now let's animate the slide smart way. Part 4. Animate with Morph and transition structure. Duplicate the first slide using Ctrl plus D. On the second slide, move the title upward and outside the slide area. Remove the first cover layer. Then bring the next text section from the bottom into view. Repeat this method for the remaining sections, so each slide reveals only one part of the content. Now select all slides, go to Transition tab, and apply Morph. And that's the final result. You now have a clean, focused, step-by-step PowerPoint system that guides your audience visually. If this PowerPoint technique helped you, like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more advanced PowerPoint tutorial. And tell me in the comments which part of this slide system are you going to use first. Next week, next trick. Bye!